Most YouTubers spend 2 hours creating a thumbnail, but I make a thumbnail with 30 seconds using a free AI tools. So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a thumbnail without any hardest software like Canva, Photoshop or any other software, just one click and one prompt. So this process I will show you with a phone like a smartphone. I will make this thumbnail with a prompt. So if you need this prompt, just go to my description below, and that's it. First of all, open a browser like Chrome, then search for Google Gemini, then click the first link from here. Now here you'll see the message option. Just click on it, paste my given prompt. I am using my on prompt like tech tutorial. You can use your niche like gaming or any other niche. So just click enter. Gemini will provide a questions like what is your um, what is the specific topic or title. Just enter title. If your title is short, it will looks good. Now I'm typing my topic like how to. So you can use your face or face reaction. Uh, Gemini will provide a new questions like what style or vibe are you going for with this thumbnail? Just enter your vibe name like minimalist, dark, and futuristic. So I'm typing the continue with this vibe like minimalist and clean. Copy here and paste it here and click enter. That's it. So if you want to include your face, just upload your face from your phone, click the plus icon and go to file section and select your face reaction from this uh, phone. So finally my photo is uploaded and I will click this arrow icon. Then Gemini will creating your thumbnail in 30 seconds. So here you will see the results. Gemini will create this thumbnail in seconds, and you can see the specification for your creating this thumbnail, and that's it. Now you can create unlimited thumbnail with this AI feature. So if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. I will see you in the next video.